Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hirana Dairies. Hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna prepare a simple, delicious yet healthy. And once Thomas Keller said, a recipe has no soul. You as the cook must bring the soul to the recipe. So let's get started. Today we are going to prepare egg burji, and here are the ingredients: chopped onions, eggs, coriander leaf, green chili, red chili powder, salt and turmeric. So let's take a pan, heat some oil in it and put the chopped onions in it and stir well and cook for 2 minutes. Now let's add the other ingredients in it: green chili, salt, turmeric powder and stir well. Now let's add the red chili powder in it. Make sure to stir so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now let's add the final ingredient in it: eggs. So make sure you add 3 eggs and stir well. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And at least cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now garnish it with coriander leaves. Stir it well. Keep mixing it. Finally, the egg burji is ready to serve. You can serve it with chapatis or you can use it as a starter as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.